Dear students, as we know that we are discussing about knowing our numbers. In the previous class, I explained about Indian number system. How to write the given numbers according to Indian number system we learned, and which are the place values according to the Indian number system also we learned, children. Today we are going to learn about international number system. International number system. In the India, we are going to use Indian number system. If you go out of the country, what system you are going to use? The international number system. According to the international number system, the first place value will come ones. The first place value of the number is what? Ones. The next place value is tens. Next hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds will comes under the group of what? Unit group. In the same way, Indian number system also the first group will come what? Ones, tens, hundred. Here also ones, tens, hundred will comes under the group of what? Unit group. If you go next you can see after hundreds. After hundred you can see that thousand, 10,000 and 100,000. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 will occur in the Indian international number system. In the Indian number system, there is only 1000 and 10,000. You can see that in according to international system, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These three will come under the group of what? 1000 group. We are going to divide these three under the group of what? 1000 group. Next, you can see that in the international number system, if you consider Indian number system, means the next place will come lakh. But here what? Here we are going to take what? Million. Million, you can see that next place value is million, 10 million, 100 million. Million, 10 million and 100 million. These three will come under the group of what? Million group. Under the million group. After million, you can see that billion. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion comes under the group of what? Billion group. See, one more time I will explain, children. Under the unit group, which are the place values will come? Ones, tens, hundreds. Under the thousand group, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After 1000, there is no lakh here. Million. According to the India international number system, what? Million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. These three will come under the group of what? Million group. Next, billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. This will come under the group of what? Billion group. If you consider one example, here see some numbers I given. You have to put to comma according to the international system. You have to put to comma for these numbers according to the international number system. See, first ones, tens, 100 we made the group under the unit group. See, ones, tens, 100. These three numbers will come under the group of what? Unit group. So we have to separate these three numbers. After what? 1000, 10,000, 100,000. You can see that 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These three will come under the group of what? 1000 group. So we have to make these three numbers as another one group. Next you can see that next million, 10 million, 100 million. Million, 10 million, 100 million. These three numbers will come under the group of what? Million group. So we can separate these three numbers separately. Next you can see that billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. These three will come under the group of what? Billion group. So we are going to separate this number. Now how to read this number? Now see properly, children. Now first place value is what? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now see 100 billion we stopped. So we have to start from 100 billion. 346 billion. Observe carefully. 346 billion. 894 million. 321,490. One more time I will repeat. See here. 346 billion. 894 million. 321,490. In this way we are going to read the number. Now next we will go for see. You can see that put to commas according to international system and write in words. put to comma, we have to put to comma for this number according to which number system? According to international number system, and we have to write the given number in what? Words. We know that, see, the first number they given 527864. According to international number system, we have to put to comma and afterwards we have to write in words. See, before only I said that, see, ones, tens, hundreds will comes under the unit group, so we are going to separate this one. Next what will come? 1000, 10,000, 100,000. In the international number system, 100,000 will comes. Keep in mind properly. See, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now where we stopped? We stopped at the 100,000. So we have to begin from 100,000. See, you can see that these three will comes under the group of what? 1,000. So we have to start from 1,000. 527,000. 527,864. See how we have to read this number? 527,864. Now we kept to comma here. Now we have to write the given number in words. See what this number? 527,000 864. See, one more time I will repeat. 527,864. So next problem. Now next another one example problem I taken here. You can observe here. See, here also some numbers I taken 189500049. For this number we have to put to comma according to international number system, and we have to write in words. See, ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100 will comes under the group of what? Unit group. So we are going to separate this group separately. Next, see, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 will comes under the group of what? 1,000 group. So we have to separate. Next, million, 10 million. Million, 10 million will comes under the group of what? Million group. You can see that now how we are going, where we stopped? We stopped at the 10 million. So when you are reading the number, we have to start from 1 million place. See, 18 million. How many millions? 18 million 950,049. One more time I will repeat carefully. See, 18 million 950,049. Now see, 18 EIGHTEEN 18 million. Million. How many thousands? 950,000. 950,000. Here you can see that. Here see, in the 100 place there is 0. You should not say 409. That is wrong. This is 49. 50,000 49. 49. One more time I will repeat, children. See, 18 million 950,049. So I hope you understood how to write the given numbers according to international number system. Still more problems I am going to give for you. You have to solve that all the problems and you have to send through WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, you can ask through the WhatsApp. Thank you, children.